is an exciting good news. I'm gonna meet my baby cousin! So today we're gonna go to City Mall because I'm gonna meet my cousin.
Excited ka na?
Yeah. I'm just cute. Ay, ninag akong bata eh. Ay, kuya. Ay, kamusta? Sabi ko pa parang sila ito. May aninag akong bata. Hello, baby. Andun si ate. Ay, cute, 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 cute. Wash kayo na. Now we're heading to go to SM because me and my cousin are gonna go to SM and play at the playground. We are so excited to play. My cousin is so cute. She's sweet, playful, and very, very cute. I'm so happy that I have the chance to play with her.
Tawid na dito. Ay, sobrang init. Oh, bata. Happy. Oo, God. No, so happy. So, while walking, chismisan muna kami ni ate. Tapos yung mga bata, so cute. Sobrang wala na silang adjustment talaga. Iba talaga yung lokso ng dugo. Sobrang ang cute nilang pagmasdan. Tuwang-tuwa kami ni Ate GM. So, thank you Kuya and Ate for this chance to meet you together with this little cute one. Ate Eka really enjoy it. And she really asking a baby girl. So, now she's experiencing and I was so happy to see that she's enjoying walking, playing, and take good care of baby Abby. And they're so cute. See you soon again, baby Abby. Napakapay na siya. Go, hindi na mabayinan. Ang langan ng ulipay. Sika nan. I love you! Na, babay na. Babay na, love.